some cinema artist singing, and people are so fond of hearing that singing that the artist is paid 15,000 rupees for one song. There are many here in Bombay. So just see how much attraction we have got for the material sound vibration. Similarly, the same attachment, if we turn to hear about Hare Krishna Mahamantra, then we become liberated. Now, just transfer this attachment for spiritual sound, then your life will be successful. This is Hare Krishna movement. Teaching people how to transfer the attachment from material sound to the spiritual sound. Chant Hare Krishna and make your life success. Thank you very much.